Hopefully I can make it brighter when I edit the video. Oh, I could be recording this in the background. Hello. Okay. So where I'm at in Atlanta, Georgia, it's very cold. And as you can tell, my hair is just very dry. And it needs that moisture back in there. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a protective style and call it a day. Anyway, all I know is that it smells really great. And you know I always use the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus line. However, I did not see a mask for it. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't have it in the store I was at. Maybe that's why. What I will be doing is distributing this in my hair. I'm gonna take a shower. I will not be showing you myself in the shower. Sorry. It's time for that. Okay. So please stay tuned for the product of the day and enjoy it. Cap on to generate heat within my hair without having to use a dryer. Just put a little scarf on, tie it on tight. As my scalp warms up to the pressure, it will add heat to the deep condition and amp up the value. Alrighty, so the mask has been in my hair for a good 2 hours and it's time to wash it out. These are my curls after the mask of 2 hours. Hey, what's mine? Gonna stop. I'm putting some oil. Remember, this is black castor oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and healing oil. Yeah, this is just to coat the ends of my hair. I'm gonna use my old t-shirt so my hair can dry and soak up. Next day, and I was gonna do a protective style. I was gonna do like ASAP Rocky braids, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I use Sleep G's soft and curly from her Curly Kinky Wavy line. It's her children's line. Even though it's a kid's product, I do still enjoy the product. So yeah, I enjoy it and I hope you enjoy it.